Okay guys, so I finally ordered a ladder and I'm going to be installing that. But before we can do that, I'm going to have to replace these rear struts. And so I went ahead and ordered some lift support depot struts, and we're going to be replacing these today before we add the ladder in. So the ones I went with are the 4005. They are rated for 280 pounds. So lift support depot, sorry, offers four different kind for the 4Runner. So they have the 3487, which is rated at 240 pounds. Then they have the 4004, which is rated at 260 pounds, and then the 4005 are rated at 280 pounds. They have another one that's rated at 300 pounds. I forgot what the part number is for that one, but I'm not going to be adding a roto pack or a trasharoo or anything like that to my ladder. And my ladder is actually a fairly light one, so I went ahead and grabbed the 280 pound one. I would imagine that if you're adding a roto pack or a heavy trasharoo or something like that to your ladder, the 300-pound one might be the better bet. So this is kind of middle of the line. I've heard great reviews for them. They're fairly cheap for what it was. And so we're going to go ahead and replace these today. And then in the next video, we'll go ahead and install the ladder. So today we're going to be replacing these guys. So let's get into it. So some of you guys might be wondering, why do you need to replace these struts? Well, mine are fairly new. I don't have any issues with them. They're not sagging or anything like that, but I don't want to put the extra strain from the ladder on these OEM ones. I just feel like since we're going to be adding a ladder, you might as well be proactive and change everything out, right? Instead of waiting for it to fail and then change it, you might as well do it now. So this is actually a fairly easy procedure. You have these clips here. There's indentations right here. And then all you're going to do is put a flathead in there and just open up these clips. There we go, almost there. It's kind of hard the first time. Okay. Okay, that's it. So that's one clip here, and there's going to be another one up top. So I'll show you that one too. Okay, same thing. We're just going to go ahead, find the little notch, put in our flathead, and pry out the old one. That's it. Okay, now all you need to do is just rotate it towards you, turn it that way, and it should pop right out. Same thing in reverse now. These new ones do have clips. Well, we don't have to remove them entirely, but we'll need to pop them out, and that way we can pop these back in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll install it. Ooh. Okay guys, so that was a very straightforward and easy replacement of the rear struts for your 4Runner. Like I said, just two clips, twist it off, put in your new ones. I will say that these ones are just a little bit longer. You're going to have to take off both sides and use a ladder or have a second person prop up the rear hatch for you to install the new ones. If you do it one after another, it won't be possible because it's just a little bit longer, and the rear hatch needs to just go, quarter of an inch probably to get these new ones in there. But other than that, these ones are really nice. They prop up the gate a lot faster. It is really sturdy. You'll see I'm tugging on it and it doesn't fall down. The other ones, for the OEM ones, if I were to do that, this would kind of drop halfway down already. So I'm really excited to use these with the new ladder. And so in the next video, we'll install the ladder and give it a test go. So I'll see you guys in the next one.